So what's up gamers, welcome back to another video. In this video we'll be talking about Rogue Company. Well, it's a 4v4 shooter game that runs really well on low-end PCs. The reason why is because the optimization on this game is really good and the graphics isn't that high-end. So I hope after watching this video and after following everything that I showed you guys in this video, you will be able to run this game smoothly on an Intel HD graphics PC or an AMD integrated graphics PC. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. And if this video does help you, then please consider subscribing to the channel. It will mean a lot to me. So first of all, what I recommend doing is that you watch this video where I showed you guys how you can optimize your PC to make games run faster and make your PC run faster. An I button will pop up in the right corner of the screen, so just go ahead and watch it. After following everything in that video, make sure that you're using the latest and proper drivers for your PC. And now let's go into the game and set up the in-game settings. Okay, so now that we're in the game, let's set up the settings. So just go to settings and then go to display. So from here set the resolution to 1280 into 720 and then turn motion blur off and also ADS blur to off as well. Set the safe frame to 100%. Now color blind correction is up to you. If you are colorblind, then select one of these. Now from here set the global quality to low and everything will be set to low automatically. Now you can try out medium if you have a better PC, but just go ahead and set it to low. The game actually looks even good in low as well, so just set it to low. After that just hit apply. Now close the game. Now from here open run. Just type run here, RUN. Then type app data or data, whatever you call it, just type it. And then hit OK. Then go to local and then find Rogue Company here. Now if you don't see Rogue Company here, then just go to view and make sure that you have view hidden items ticked. Then open that, then go to saved, then go to config, Windows no editor, and from here find a file called game user settings. Now right click on it and then open with notepad. Now from here go to ScalabilityGroups and set the resolution quality to 60.60 here. What this will do is run at 60% of 720p resolution so that you will get more FPS and the quality won't be that bad either. You can also set it to 80%. 80% is also good. If you think your PC is good enough, then set it to 80%. And everything can be selected from the in-game settings, so you don't have to do anything here. So after that just save this file, and that's pretty much all you can do to make the game run smoothly. Now this will lower the graphics but will increase the performance. There isn't much you can do to make a game run smoothly on a low-end PC. The only thing you can do is reduce the resources that game needs. So by lowering our graphics, we are just reducing the resources that this Rogue Company needs. And if this video did help you, then please consider subscribing to the channel. That will mean a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And I think this might be the last low-end guide for me. I don't know, I'm not planning to do it anymore. I just don't feel like it, bro. Like, it's just not doing it for me. Like, as a content creator, I don't feel like I'm making something that's really good. But I hope this helps. So yeah, this is it for today.